walls.
John set up the little nursery. I'm about to put Benai to bed, so he's
Jedediah, take it easy. Don't be too rough on the tent. Calm down.
It's short.
You like the tent? Yeah. Whoa. Calm down. Take it easy, Jedediah.
That's it.
Yeah. Hey. See? Can you see on the top? What's in the top? Oh, nothing. It's gonna be Jedediah's new bedroom. Hey, no, don't do that. Hey, take it easy. You're gonna ruin this. Stop it, alright?
Don't point at Daddy. Put your finger down.
Hey, don't do that. It's like two little cubs inside the tent, wrecking it, huh? Oh, hey! Jedediah!